Did you know that for just $87, you can experience one of the most iconic train lines in the eastern United States, the Amtrak Pennsylvanian, which takes you from New York to Pittsburgh, through the Appalachian Mountains and over Horseshoe Curve, America's legendary railroad bend? The journey begins at Moynihan Train Hall in New York, then takes you out of bustling Manhattan and into Pennsylvania, where the urban landscape gradually opens up into valleys, green forests, and mountainsides along the Susquehanna River. As the train enters the Appalachian region, the most beautiful point of the entire line is Horseshoe Curve, a classic American railroad bend where the track curves around the mountainside, and you can see the train turning while you are still sitting in the middle or back of the train. A moment any rail fan would want to experience at least once in their life. At its